We have the national race from Tulle, and in the category All Birds we have Philippe Dobbelaere from Olsene, who is the winner. Philippe wins here with this national race already his 4th national victory. The winning bird is a cock, and we show you first the ring number. The ring number is B2241566682. This cock has been raised on a velocity, you can open the wings, on a velocity of 1380.20 meters per minute. And with this velocity he is beating 4964 old birds from Tulle. The distance from Tulle, show you the head. The distance from Tulle to Olsene is 611 kilometers.